All right, guys. Again, we're looking forward to South Dakota for prairie dog hunting. If my desk was bigger, I'd probably do an unboxing, but it's not big enough, so I'll have to show this and then follow up with what's in the box. But it's a 22 HMR, which is 17 HMR, but it's a Tikka 22. Well, no, 17 HMR. So, and for those of you that do not know what that is, it is these little critters right here. They are a Magnum round for hunting varmints and stuff, and these are 17 grain. They come in 17, 20. I'm gonna try and see which one it shoots the best and go from there. I'll open it up, follow up with it here in a second. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, guys. I'm trying to do this every day. Well, not every day, but you know, once a week anyway. Do some kind of pew pew bang bang. But this is the Tikka. I tried it at the Bass Pro, which is where I picked it up. And it is, let me see if I can do this with one hand. I think I got a funky feeling I'm gonna drop this and it's gonna hit me right in the schnoz. Okay. There we go. There we go. Much better. Much better. Well, get open there. There's all the, and Tikka, in case you don't know, was made by Seiko. And this is a book, and I mean a book. It's got a threaded barrel, so you can put a muzzle suppressor on there and all that good stuff. They're made in Finland, cold hammer forged barrel, and this one, let's see if I can get it out here. I'm not going to be able to unbox this with one hand. It just ain't going to happen. I'm knocking stuff off everywhere. Because they got, this was a demonstrator. And he let me have it. He gave me 10% off on it. Yeehaw, I'm all over the place. Box magazine, 10 rounds, 10 plus 1. Smooth as butter. There's the threaded barrel on the end. That's the dreaded key to take off the dreaded lock that they all put on there. And it's got a little lever right here that you push in to remove the bolt. But this bolt is smooth as butter. I mean, it is boom. 2-position safety, fire, safe, fire, see the red. There's also the, it is cocked and ready to go indicator. This is the safe. It has an extra bedding right here. You'll see, I don't know if you can see it there or not. Let me see if I can get a little, there's a little sleeve in here. It goes right in there. And they say you can take that out or not to make it completely free floating all the way down. But it's factory, I'm not gonna deal with it. And it's a tack driver. At 50 yards, I was seeing some MOA 0.4, 0.5, and at 100 yards, 0.7, 0.8. Just awesome. I got to get a Picatinny rail put on the top. I wish that had the bolts already in, but it does not. So I'll have to check and see what thread is and get a Picatinny rail so I can put a scope on it. Polymer. And they make attachments to go on here to make it more rubbery to hold on to. They make a pistol grip. Goes on here that's kind of rubberized to make it good to hold on to. Super lightweight. I mean, it is lightweight. But that is the Tikka T1x 17 HMR. It's a nice little gun. I did a lot of research on this before I got it, so. And I'm gonna let my wife use this, and I'm gonna use the other one that I've got, the 223 Howa. The 1500, it's 223 caliber. Thanks for watching, guys.